If you'd like to see some simple ways to create DIY birthday gifts using adhesive rhinestone sheets and some vinyl, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube! So today in this video I'm going to be making a couple easy, simple DIYs for birthday gifts. So I have these little these lotions. They're Oil of Olay. They just look cute, so I got them. And my idea for these, I just cut out some adhesive rhinestone strip, and I'm just gonna glue it to the bottle just to make it be a little fancy. So that's something that's very, very simple. So that will be very simple. I'm just gonna glue that on just like that, and it just spruces it up and gives it a cute look. These are Dollar Tree mirrors, and I've already cut out the vinyl, and it says, "With God, all things are possible." These are some very special ladies from the church, and it's their birthday, and I want to make them something cute that they would enjoy. So that's what I came up with. So I'm just going to put this on there, and these were $1 from Dollar Tree. And then also from Dollar Tree, I have these very large, heavy-duty mugs, and these will have their name on them. It will also say blessed. And then I cut out with heat transfer vinyl, "Thank you, Jesus," because I have also some pajama tops. I have a pajama set for each of them, and I'm just gonna iron on "Thank you, Jesus," just to spruce it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm just taking a little line of glue, and I'm adding the adhesive rhinestone strip onto this bottle of Olay lotion, just to spruce it up and make it a little more elegant and pretty, you know, once it's sitting on a dresser or wherever it's going to be. Now, this does already have adhesive on the back of it, and it's very, very sticky and has a good little tack to it. But I figure if I add on this glue, it'll make it stay even better, and it won't come off ever. So adding additional glue to this is definitely optional. You don't have to. Just by adding on these little rhinestone strip embellishments, you can already see the value of this Olay bottle of lotion go up. It was no more than about $5, but once the rhinestone strip is on, this easily looks like something from Clinique or Saks or something like that off the makeup counter. Okay, so now I've moved on to the Dollar Tree mirror. This mirror is about the size of an 8x10 frame, and I cut the vinyl out with my Silhouette Cameo. I just smoothed it on there really good. I used an old gift card, and now I'm going to go ahead and take this transfer tape and do the second mirror. And again, it says, "With God, all things are possible." And these are for two of these very nice ladies from church. Their birthdays are one day apart. And these are my gifts to them to show them how much I appreciate them. And just wanted to give them something that was nice, that had a good message on it. Now that I'm done with those, I'm going to add the vinyl on to the coffee cups. And if someone, you know, isn't a coffee drinker, just consider they may drink tea. So this also makes a really good teacup as well.
Thank you, Eddie.
Now with this cup, it's very nice and it's heavy. So, and it has like a big size. So I was able to really make these letters pretty big, and it really looks good on this cup, and there's like still some room left there. So that worked out really nice. Now I'm just going to add the word blessed and a heart to the other side of this cup. And I just moved on to the... So here are the pajamas, and they have a really nice texture, nice feel to them. They came from Walmart, and I think it was only $6.98, and it's just so soft. It says "Sweet Treasures." So I cut this out, and this is probably about 8 inches wide and maybe 6 inches high, and I'm going to go ahead and iron this on, and it says "Thank you, Jesus." It's really hot, and I don't want to hook up my heat press, so I'm just going to use my iron. So you don't have to have a heat press to do this. Line it up the best way you can. If it's not 100% perfect, don't be hard on yourself, okay? But there are shirt hangers, but after doing this for so long, I can kind of eyeball it for the most part. I think the best way to do it is to kind of like line the words up with the neck of the shirt like that. And then maybe have it a little higher up maybe. This is already really busy. I just wanted something that was going to be make it a little cuter and dainty. This is some very glittery vinyl. And I'm going to take my iron. I'm going to cut the steam off. And I'm just going to glide this over here nice and firm. Nice and firm, just like this. If you have a heat press, of course, go ahead and use your heat press. If you don't feel bad. You could use this iron. Okay, so I'm just ironing this on, applying pressure. Now I'm just letting it cool down just a little bit. And I'm going to slowly and carefully pull off the backing sheet. And I'm also using one hand to firmly hold down the garment. And as you can see, it's already just adhering just well. Nice and sparkly, very pretty. And this is very simple. And just like that, you have a message, a name, a logo, or whatever you want to add on to the shirt or whatever you decide to use on your shirt. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of these simple DIY gifts that I made for these ladies. Here is a close-up of the coffee cup. I'm going to show you the other side of it. This side says Beautiful Betty. The other side says Bless with a heart on it. Very simple, very cute. And the mirror says with Christ all things are possible. Or with God all things are possible. And the pajamas say thank you Jesus. And this is just an example of a few things that you can put together. You can make this into a gift basket if you want to. Also, there is the bottle of Oil, some very nice lotion, and I just added on like a little strip of adhesive rhinestones to it. And with that, it just makes the bottle look a little more elegant. And I just really thought this was a good idea, and it really was, because I gave it to them and they were very blown away by it. Just little simple things like this you can make for people. It's not very expensive. If you can't go out and buy an expensive gift, this is definitely a great way. You could just go to the Dollar Tree, pick up a couple mirrors, a couple cups, glasses, whatever it is. And as you can see, these pajamas were no more than about $7 each. So this wasn't very expensive, but it's customized, and people do tend to like customized gifts. It doesn't have too much value, but when you put the time in, it definitely makes a difference, and it makes people feel really good when you take your time and make things for them like this. Then of course you can use whatever color vinyl that you like to. You can choose a different color teacup or coffee cup. So there's so many different ways that you can flip this and make it customized to your liking or someone that you know. But thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you did receive some cool ideas to make something for someone, or maybe make something for yourself. If you did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up, or maybe share it on Facebook, or share it with someone who may be interested in doing something like this as well. You can subscribe to this channel if you'd like to. If not, thank you so much for stopping by. If you do decide to subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell so that you will be alerted each time I upload a new video. Thanks again for watching, you guys. Bye-bye. Website myroyalradiance.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10 off. Check out our website crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers.